ScoopBoxTv, NASA Science. Watch water explode in zero gravity. Welcome to ScoopBoxTV, Citizen of Earth. As part of our Space and Science section, today we will show you footage of NASA doing an experiment in the International Space Station, in which they hit a water globule with 40,000 volts in zero gravity. So let's do this, people. First the water is set, then, kaboom, it is disintegrated. We can make out the shockwave created by the explosion of a single water droplet. To think that you can get so much energy from a small amount of water, what are the possibilities? A new energy source, perhaps? It is a pretty cool experiment. When slowed down, it is even more impressive. If you enjoyed this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe for the latest from ScoopBoxTV. Thank you for watching, and above all, stay safe and keep your eyes on the sky.